fam, I wasn't gonna film this, but I'm fighting my Chrysler at the 86,000 mile mark pretty much. I noticed a little hesitation in the motor off idle, and then it would kick in later once you got midway through the rev range. And I started hearing a little click, 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 click when you first step on the gas under the load. It pretty much, the cylinders are hot and lean. So I put the computer on it, put the app on it, and I'm reading very rich on the bank one, left side, driver's side. Average rich on, I mean not rich, but I'm sorry, I take it back. I'm reading lean on the driver's side, average on the passenger side. And also one day got a strange out of nowhere check engine light saying that bank one sensor 2 was low voltage. So of course put that together and decided to go ahead and replace both lower sensors, oxygen sensors, after the cat, or on the cat in the boiler system. Did nothing. Changed out all the spark plugs. Did nothing. But then I noticed, I paid attention, I had to think about it. I've been researching, thinking about 2 weeks now. It's only on one side that I'm getting the lean conditions. So it's got to be something from the intake down. I checked for exhaust leak, no exhaust leaks. So I kept on moving, kept reading, checked sensors and all that. I have an app that shows me all the levels of the sensors. All the sensors are working fine, except for the long-term fuel trim bank one is inputting at like 12%. So it's supposed to be less than 10. Right side, bank two, 3 to 5% all the time, long term. So that's not the case. And I thought about it. You know, on my other Hemis, at some point I replaced all the gaskets on the intake because they all went bad. They go bad. 100,000 miles or so, they're letting all kind of stuff in and out of your intake. So I decided to check this one out, and lo and behold, well, I skipped the whole presentation, but these are the gaskets, and they were all just flattened out, completely flattened out. Trash gaskets. I got oil and all kind of crap all on the side of the intake. And down here in the valley, crud build up all along the outer edges of that's bank two. The outer gaskets, outer area of the gaskets is showing some filth and debris. Bank one, where I was having a problem, I got a lot of crud. So what we're gonna do right now is, luckily I bought these a while back just because I wanted to do it, because I figured I was gonna have to do it. So got the brand new ones. They're going in the big old super 6.4 MDS intake, and we're gonna put them on real quick, snap this back down, and then check our trims and see how we're doing. Now I hope this is what the problem is. Mass intake, absolute pressure sensor, fine, pretty much. I mean, it's reading a little low at times, so hopefully that's what it is. I also got a new throttle body coming. It's not here today, but I'll go ahead and keep this one on here for now. All right, I'm gonna get to work and I'll let you see the finished product. It's not hard. I mean, the taking off the intake manifold is pretty much, you got 10 screws per side. I mean, 10 screws total. There's one there, one on each side of each cylinder, pretty much. This one has 2. They shoot straight down through the top of the intake. That's upside down right now, so you can't see it. There's a brake booster hose, which comes out of the back, goes all the way around to the booster. I disconnected at the booster because I couldn't get my hand on it good enough to pull it off of the back of the intake while the intake was still in the car. So what I did was I pulled all the screws up. Might as well show you this crap while I'm here. All right, see all these screws? Very long. Once you get them up, they kind of screw into the manifold. So you twist it back and turn it, and they should stay. A couple of them popped all the way out. Anyway, I got them all up. So what I did was, being that I have a bar, I had to, it wouldn't come up straight up. So I had to slide it forward and then out. Then I could get my hands on this back sensor, which I had forgotten about. And this other sensor is easy to hit. It's on the top of the intake manifold in the back. This one's hiding at the bottom. And the brake booster hose runs back here and across to the booster. To this right here. To that right there. So I'll have to fish that back through when I put it back on. But it just slid right out. Really easy job. Main thing is don't let nothing fall in these holes. Instant death for your engine. So right now we're just I'm gonna clean off the I'm gonna put some blockage over the intake ports, and I'm gonna clean off the surface, make it all shiny and pretty so that it mates well, and then we're gonna put it all back together. Goodbye.